Coming up on the Memorial Day holiday weekend, and a lot of people will be out and about, picnics, cookouts, having some fun, maybe doing a little bit of drinking. Attorney David Greene is here with us today, and we're talking about the dangers of drinking and driving. Now, David, of course, everybody knows this is extremely dangerous, but put this problem into perspective for us.
Well, most accidents that are out there, typically about 1/3 of the accidents involve drinking and driving. That is a big problem in our society, and anything after midnight can be as high as 40 or 50%. So drinking and driving and accidents can be a major problem, and catastrophic type injuries too.
And that's why it's so important to designate someone as your designated driver. Talk on that a little bit.
That's right. If you choose to drink and you choose to drive, that's a problem. If you choose to drink, no one can stop you, but you really need to make sure you have someone that you single out, make a determination. Listen, I'm not drinking. I will be the person that drives. I'll be the person in charge of getting us safely there. Very, very important.
All right. Now, so if someone has been hit by a drunk driver, what can the victim do?
Well, there are a lot of things. As a matter of fact, you need to make sure you get the treatment that you need, make sure you're okay. But there are several different things that you may, as far as a claim or a case that you may have. If someone's been drinking at a bar, Alabama has what's called a Dram Shop Act, which means the bar can be held responsible for having served that individual while they were visibly intoxicated. If the individual gets in the vehicle and goes and hurts or kills someone, they certainly can be held responsible as well. So you've got a couple of different things, and it's a little bit difficult sometimes. You need to make sure you have a lawyer or a law firm look at a case like that.
Has Greene and Phillips handled cases like this? Over
the years, we've been involved in many cases like that. One that comes to mind was one that happened about a year ago where the gentleman left the bar on Old Shell Road, left it. He was drinking and driving, ran through the family's home and killed 2 people. So that happens more times than you would believe.
It's a holiday weekend. Everybody's out and about. They want to have some fun. But if you get behind the wheel, it can be life-threatening to you or several other people as well. So all this information is so important. You can get more information on Greene and Phillips on our website, the Studio 10 tab on fox10tv.com. David, thank you so much for coming in.
Thanks for having me.